Hey guys, it's me, Miss Padova. I get asked so often, can you make me a fortune teller? Or can you teach me how to make one? Yup. Alright, so I'm starting with an 8x10 piece of printer paper. That's usually the best paper to use. And what we really need is a square. Now, this is not a square right now, but we can make one. I'm going to take the corner and fold it up to the top to make a triangle. You want to make sure those match up really well. Go ahead and crease it when you feel good. Alright, it's still not a square, so what we need to do is we need to cut off this extra paper here on the side. And voila, there's your square. So I'm going to fold the paper in half one time, open it up, and turn it so that I can fold it again, and we'll have two folded lines going across my square. Now, as you can see, I have 4 separate little squares. So the next 4 steps are going to be the exact same. And I'm starting by taking the corner of the square and bringing it towards the middle to make a triangle. When I'm comfortable with it and it feels good, I'm going to put a crease in it. I'm going to do the exact same thing again. Take that corner of that square and make a folded triangle. This is our 3rd time making our 3rd triangle. And the last one is pretty easy. We're just going to fold that right in. And crease. Now we have tabs. We're going to flip it over and do the exact same steps again. I'm going to create guidelines or folds to help myself. So I'm going to fold it in half. Let's open it back up, and just like I did the first time, I'm going to take the corner of that square, bring it to the middle to make a triangle. This is 2. This is 3. And just like last time, that last one is pretty easy. We're going to fold that right in there. crease it up. All right, so let's check this out. Now we have 4 folded triangles. And if we flip it over, we have 4 sort of like pockets that eventually our fingers are going to fit right into. Oh, get this guy out of there. There we go. So I folded this in half just to crease my creases a little bit, because it always helps to make sure that your creases are well done. Okay, so on those pockets, I'm going to take each one of them and put a color. Now, you can make shapes if you want. I'm doing paint splats. So I did green, blue, pink, and purple. On this side, in each one of these little triangles is where I'm going to put the numbers 1 through 8. I usually do them out of order. Okay, so right here, this is where your fortune will be. You can use both of them for separate fortunes, but I'm going to use it for just one. After you're done writing all your fortunes in, now's where you're going to take your pinchers, like a lobster claw, your thumb and your pointer finger, and tuck them inside of those pockets. You're going to have to like fuss with it a little bit, but it'll work. And do the exact same thing with your other thumb and your other pointer finger on the other side. Fuss with it a little bit more, fold it out, untuck it, and now you can start playing. P.S. I just wanted to show you another version of it. I made this one a little bit bigger, a little bit more fancy with fancier numbers, and I actually drew the fortunes in instead of writing them. This was a little more fun for me, but it's up to you. Alright guys, that's it for me. I hope you had fun making those fortune tellers. And until next time, see ya!